All right, welcome to the 10-minute trading room. This is how to trade in only 10 minutes a day and exactly how to take the guesswork out of trading. And with our 10 minutes to freedom trading strategy, as you know, it always starts with the market, and we'll let the market tell us which direction it's going. We look at the 10 over the 20 with price over the 50, MMFI over 50, and Fin Club being green. So right now, we still have the 10 over the 20 on the SPY. In fact, earlier this morning when I took a look at it, price was way down here. It was below the 20-day and below the 10-day, and who knows how low it was going to go. Right there, if you've been following the Benzinga book club, you'll know that we've been working on this book about candlestick charts. That's a very bearish candlestick. I don't remember what it's called right now. But when you got a long wick and then the entire body is right there at the bottom, there's nothing bullish about that at all. And curious to see the following day the SPY getting stomped like that. Now, of course, we don't trade on that. We only trade on trend lines here. And we see the 10s over the 20, price over the 50. Price is currently under the 10 period. And as we know, the 10 period signals a short-term trend. So if this does not hold, the short-term trend could be back down. So for now, this is a bullish trend. Next, MMFI. This is the percent of stocks above their own 50-day moving average. Good to see you, Victor. And as you can see, 33%. Victor, that means if you had a soccer team, or football, I guess it's football the rest of the world. If you had a football team, that's weird saying. If you had a soccer/football team, and it had 9 players, only 3 of them decided to show up. That's what that says here. And in my opinion, I would prefer a team where everybody decides to show up, or at least half the players, and we don't have that yet. Bullish engulfing. Let's take a look at that. A bullish engulfing, Brian, only because I've learned this recently, is like this one here, where it opens up. Where is it open? Opens up higher and then closes lower, and the entirety of that candle is inside of the one next to it, like that. So this is some kind of, I think it's shooting star or dragonfly doji or something like that. I can't remember at the top of my head right now. Like I say, it's not something that we use for trading. But yeah, definitely not a good sign when you've got a big move down like that. And then lastly, Fin Club came in red today. And I mentioned yesterday, Fin Club kind of glitched out. And the way that we keep up with that is if for some reason it does glitch out, like today, you can see it opens below the prior candle. So that's generally a red day. So that is going to be it. We're not going to continue trading, right? Like we've been doing. We're letting the market come to us. We're not going to force any trades. We're not going to even run any charts or anything like that. Now, why? Well, that makes today a transition day. And on transition days, we're waiting in cash for proper setups. And we don't know how long it's going to take. But as Mark likes to say, as long as it takes. Remember, when you evolve to the point of always being patient and only taking quality trades, that means you've decided you're not in it for the action, but to make money. You have sit-out power, and you never force trades. You are pro. I thought you were pointing to another one. Fiji may be correct for the one you pointed to. Oh, I think you meant Doji. Fiji, yeah. On my phone, difficult to see. All's good, Brian. All is good, yeah. And on a day like today, there's just nothing to trade, right? Don't be forcing any trades because there's a lot of people trying to force this market right now, and we're so far from being in a bullish market. I mean, realistically, we got kind of close a few days ago. We got kind of close after the bounce. Yeah, that's what you meant. I knew it. I like the idea of Fiji. I would love to go to Fiji. We got kind of close a couple days ago on the market breadth, but it's just giving it up. There's just not enough participants in the market to make it happen.